Hi, this is ZTE Blade A72s and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first we should launch the settings application and then tap here to the personalization settings section. Just tap on the wallpaper section, tap to allow, and you'll see here all of the default available wallpapers which you could use, or also you could tap here to the gallery and to use photos from your device gallery, Google Drive photos. For example, let's use one from the photos. Tap to set as and tap here set as lock screen. We could see the message that this wallpaper applied successfully. So let's check it. Also get one more way how we could do that. Just hold first your home screen with your finger, then on the left down corner tap to wallpaper, and by the same way select one from the available wallpapers. After that, just tap to set as lock screen, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.